Yeah. These are just regular riding bikes here.
Wow.
You could probably race with them, but I don't think
that.
they do too much of that.
Ooh,
Look at this. Wow.
I think that's good.
I like these. I like the three-wheelers.
Oh yeah, the people ride that now too.
Ooh, my color.
Uh,
I like red.
three. That. Well. Oh. Look at how much this grows.
I know.
Look, got price on it. Oh, you can
Got a bunch of different hats and stuff over here. Wow. Oh, they got chaps over here. Look at this. They got chaps for riding. I like it. Oh, I like that jacket with the Indian on it. That is sharp. Man, they got a lot of nice clothes. Definitely.
Hi.
Hello.